Hi everyone, happy 4th of July. I can't believe we're already into the middle of the summer. I am getting a lot of requests and questions from customers about beach and poolside beauty, products that will simultaneously protect your skin and help you look good while you are relaxing at the beach or at the pool. And I have a few recommendations for you today. So first I'm going to start by showing you a few of my favorite complexion products for beach and poolside. The Jane Iredale Powder Me Sunscreen is an SPF 30 and actually is water resistant for 40 minutes, which is pretty great. It also is in a very convenient puff. Good for travel. It's not a loose powder that's going to get everywhere, and it's nice sheer coverage that also has that SPF 30. Then we have from Jane Iredale the Dream Tint. This is a great, very sheer tinted moisturizer. It is an SPF 15 as well. And then the Glow Time. This is for someone who wants just a little bit more coverage. So even if you're out in the heat or beach or poolside and you just prefer to have a little bit more coverage on your skin, this will give you that, and it's an SPF 25, so that's a great option. Moving along to Laura Mercier, we've got a couple of great complexion products from her too. The Pure Canvas Primer Protect is an SPF 30 primer. It goes on clear, so if you want to wear your SPF on your skin and either keep makeup in place and have sunscreen protection, or just wear this by itself as a clear protective layer, you totally can. That's one of my favorite primers in the store. And then Laura Mercier's Tinted Moisturizer is of course one of our favorite products. It is also an SPF 30 now since they've updated it, and really great for the skin, so that's a nice sheer option for beach or poolside. Next, we have one of my absolute favorite products in the store, the SkinCeuticals Physical Fusion SPF 50. This is the tinted sunscreen from SkinCeuticals, and I love it because it goes on, it feels like nothing is there, and it also has an SPF 50 to keep your skin nice and protected. It is a universal tint. It will give you a very, very minimal amount of coverage cosmetically, but it really keeps your skin nice and safe, so this is my favorite. And then we have a few options for lips, eyes, and cheeks. If you want to get a little more beautified for beach or poolside, you absolutely can. The key is to pick products that are going to withstand the heat and any moisture. And we have a couple of great options here. One of my favorite mascaras is the Blinc Mascara. This is what they call a tubular mascara. It actually encases each eyelash in a tube formula, stays on, it is virtually waterproof, but also very easy to remove, which is nice, so you're not going to end up, waking up in the morning with raccoon eyes. Stays on, protects the lashes, you can swim in it. It comes in black and brown. This is a great mascara. And then we have the Jane Iredale lip drinks. These are fantastic. They're all SPF 15 and they're sheer. You can do a clear, but I've lined up a couple of colors just as suggestions for the season. And this is what I'm wearing right now today. This is called Giddy, and it's really sheer but really fun. Just adds a touch of color, kind of effortless looking for beach or pool. And then as a bonus for you guys, I have a little bit of a highlighter. This is sort of a secret weapon if you really want to kick it up a notch. Maybe you're going out, or maybe you just want to look a little extra glam. Grab that. Laura Mercier's Addiction Highlighter. I just put this on my cheekbones. I absolutely love it. It looks like it's going to be really gold, but it's really sheer, and it looks great on the eyes too. So if you want to just do a quick swipe on the eyelid for a little brightening, or a quick swipe on the cheekbone, catch the light, this is just a little bit of a way to glam up your beach or poolside beauty routine.